Hey y'all, welcome back to a new vlog. Today is Saturday. I've been filming all sunrise. You guys probably saw a little beat roll of what I got into the sunrise. I made breakfast and all of that. Okay, so I went to the beauty supply store. I'm so happy y'all to go back to black. It's gonna be a transformation, okay? So make sure y'all stay tuned in the vlog so y'all can see the blonde to the black, baby. But anywho, first thing, I got the Dark and Lovely jet black for my hair. So what I'm gonna be doing is gonna be leaving out some of my hair. I'm doing a quick weave, so I'm super excited. My hair is already black, but I want that thing to be black. I've been using this for years. I also got some more Wonder Lace bond. I use this for my wigs. This is really good as well. It secures the wigs, but I don't know why I got this. Maybe just to wear the wigs more, like, but with the quick weave I'm not gonna need it, so I don't know. I just wanted to stock up on that. So I got some rollers because I'm going to be rolling my hair, like, so it can have that nice volume. These were $2.49, and then I had like the little clips to keep them secure, and these are $1.99. And then I got the make your own wig cap. This was $2.99. I got it in black. So this is how it's gonna look, y'all. So you see how they have like a little leave out, like she's gonna cut it and then leave out her hair. That's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna do a whole video on it so you guys know how to do a leave out, I mean a quick weave. We got the hair. I got 3 of these hair in 24 inches. I'm not gonna do my hair this week. I'm gonna do it the following week. That's what I got from the beauty supply store. I'm about to probably do like a clean with me video. Y'all can like clean with me. I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything else today. I filmed a lot already. I filmed a store inventory haul. I filmed a Sephora haul. I filmed a cooking video. I filmed my teeth video. So I got my teeth done. This was about a year ago. I'm just now doing the story time for it, girl. And I'm finally telling y'all the story on what I got done. So I did that. I did want to do a style my hair with me, like show y'all what tools I use to curl my hair, and then like using the little thingy. I might do that tonight and then show y'all tomorrow. So I might do that video tonight. And then I was gonna do an Amazon must-have video, but I'm so tired, y'all. So I may just take a break right now, relax, take a woosah, and that's pretty much it. Like I said, I don't have much to do, so I probably won't turn the vlog back on until I find something else to do. I do want to watch a movie tonight and ice roll my face, because I finally put the ice roller in the freezer, you guys. So I do want to do that, but I might just watch some YouTube for like an hour or two and then come back on and clean the house. I might just do a clean with me video rather than the Amazon must-haves, because I really don't shop on Amazon like I used to. I'm a Temu girl. I'm just going to continue to chill, probably do some store content. I'm watching McKenna right now. You know, she do like 3-hour vlogs, so I might just chill and watch her vlogs. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna bore y'all. I was just coming on here to just say hey. If y'all are new, welcome, girl. My name is Z. I do videos on all lifestyle, beauty, fashion, cooking, story times, spilling tea, all of that. So if you are new, make sure you subscribe, because we are almost at 100K, and I would love for y'all to join the Z gang. So, but if you are an OG and you back, hey girl, I appreciate you, I love you. And yeah, new day, new vlog. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this clip, and it's 2:43 right now. I'll probably see y'all like a little later. See y'all when I see y'all. Okay, all right, bye. So we made it to the park, you guys. Get some exercise, some fresh air, let the dog run around, do his thing, you know. It's cold out here for a pimp. But no, for real, it's cold. It's like 20 degrees, 26. So yeah. Whew.
I know what's on your mind. We do this all the time. We fight and then we're fine.
Hey y'all. So I am in the bed. Haven't taken my makeup off yet. I made me a smoothie. I put some chlorophyll in here. I put some green like veggie powder. I put in some collagen, some peaches, some pineapples, and some milk, like some almond milk, oat milk, and it's really, really good. Hubby's making dinner tonight, so I can just chill in the bed and drink my smoothie. Had a long day of filming today. We went to go hike. It's freezing here. It's gonna be 4 degrees and 7 degrees next week, so y'all, I'm not ready for that, but things that come with living in the country. So hope you enjoyed this day in the life. I'm gonna go ahead and get this video edited and uploaded. I'm going to be having videos for you guys every day this week, so make sure you guys subscribe and tune in to all the videos and share the videos so we can reach 1K by the end of January. That's the goal. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog after I do my skincare and show you guys how I ice roll and everything. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.